Hi, I'm Jeni Britton Bauer. I'm the founder of Jeni's Splendid Ice Creams. We're an ice cream company from Columbus, Ohio, and we make ice cream with really beautiful ingredients sourced directly from makers, growers, and producers near and far. I started Jeni's in 2002 in an indoor public market in the middle of Columbus, Ohio, and now we have 34 stores in Columbus and across America. One thing that I have learned throughout my long career making ice cream from beautiful fresh ingredients sourced directly from makers and growers and producers, which is not the way that everybody else does it. If you want to break the rules and go direct to the source and do something different in the world of food, then you also have to bring your safety game up to that level and put them on the same line, sort of quality and safety together. When it comes to food safety, just understanding and following the rules is not really enough if you want to do something new and different, especially. And if you care truly about the food that you're producing and, of course, your customers, which is why we do what we do in the first place. In 2015, my company learned about all of this firsthand when we got the call that no one wants to receive, which was that a pint of our ice cream tested positive for Listeria. Listeria is a pathogen common everywhere. Listeria is prevalent in dirt, but it also can go airborne. It's in the air. When we got the call, we had no idea how much ice cream was affected. We decided that we would do a full recall of all of our ice creams immediately, within literally hours of receiving the call, because we wanted to prevent an outbreak of Listeria. It's not something that you ever want your incredible customers to have to experience, and especially in ice cream. So it was a pretty easy decision for us to make to bring everything back. We all felt proud of that. And we immediately realized that the safety game that we thought was an A+ standard was no longer adequate. We spent months reevaluating and rebuilding our entire safety program from the ground up. And my message now that I share with everyone in food, coast to coast, is that almost without exception, whatever you're doing is likely not enough. Always be prepared to go above and beyond, to take responsibility for your safety game and for all of the products that you're bringing in, how you're processing them, and putting them out to your customer. So what you might not know is that food safety and food waste are deeply connected. At Jeni's in 2015, we lost 265 tons of ice cream that we had spent a lot of resources and time making. And I want you to not have to ever experience that, of course, but even on a smaller level, the best way to think about food safety and food waste is that if you prevent any kind of contamination, then you also prevent waste. As much time as you put into studying all of the flavor that you want to bring forth into the world, and textures and body, and as much as you love people and hospitality and all of that and the reasons that you go to work every day, you have to do the same with safety, because safety is what enables you to do that. So a true foundational understanding of how to keep your customers safe is necessary if you want to make something really, really beautiful.